Meaning of doomster.
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 Dumpster.
Doomster. Doomster is a noun used to describe someone who has a pessimistic or fatalistic outlook on life. They often believe that everything is destined for failure and that there is no way to change it. This mindset can lead to feelings of hopelessness and despair, which can ultimately negatively impact a person's mental health and well-being. It is important to note that while a doomster may be pessimistic in their outlook, it does not necessarily mean that their beliefs are accurate or true.